pumpkin. Are you the little pumpkin? Jared.
Yeah, that's me too.
Mom can't act silly.
Oh, so big.
This one.
Are you looking at the badger on my shirt? Yeah? Say hi, Grandma.
Are you squeezing it out of me? That's what it looks like.
I am. I'm squeezing it.
Let's squeeze here.
There's your mom.
Oh, hi. Don't mind us. Don't mind us. You're doing good. You got a lot to tell, Grandma. You haven't seen her in a while.
Yeah. There's your mama. Yeah. There's your mama.
And of course, you know Mr. Camera.
He's going to grow up thinking that's part of your face.